when we came into Katrina, I'll never forget it. We were down in Metairie, which is right on the border of New Orleans. And we came in with 23 trained medical people and a semi-medical supplies. And we set up in one of our churches right on that border. And 2 days in, FEMA asked us if we would do search and rescue of people and their pets. At that time, FEMA could not rescue pets. And there were so many people that refused to part with their pet in order to be rescued. Some of them were on, the houses were underwater, and they were on top of the house with their pet, but they wouldn't get picked up by FEMA because they wouldn't leave their pet there. So we had never done that before, but there's a lot of things I've never done before, but I assume God will help us out. And so we did search and rescue with people and their pets. And what I learned in that chapter was the value of a pet to a person in crisis. Now, I didn't go much beyond it, but it was the value of a pet in a crisis that would have a person risk their personal life so as not to part from the pet.